This is an external third-party tool where I have given this IP address. Why? Because my system IP address is, see, this VMware, and this is my operating system Linux. Here I'm going to terminal. Yeah, here if config. See, here this is my IP address. Okay, based on this IP address, I am connecting directly from a local terminal. See, this is how it will appear. Like I'm giving the root, it was connected. This is the root level. Okay, root level in the sense the administrators of the operating system or Linux administrator. Okay, Unix administrators. These people uh, will do in this environment root. For us as a Oracle DBA, you are Oracle people, right? So for that, we are installing Oracle user. Okay, we will configure one Oracle user and we will switch to that user. How we will switch? su hyphen Oracle. That's all. That means su means switch user. Okay, hyphen is the syntax. How it will go? Hyphen you have to give space Oracle. See, this is the root level. How you will find the root level means two things. This is the user user will appear. What are the username it will appear, and the second is hash. Hash means it's root level. So once you switch to Oracle, okay, see the username changed to Oracle. Okay, how this username is configured, how we are connecting all these things while installation of this Linux environment and setting up our Oracle environment upon this Linux environment, we'll see. Okay, so see, and if you are connecting to Oracle, then it will show dollar. Okay, these are the two identification marks. One is Oracle, the other one is dollar. If it is root and if it is hash, then it is in root level. Clear, right?
Yes, bro.
Okay. Uh, so this is my Linux commands. Okay. A lot of Linux commands will be there. Okay. This is the whole document for Linux commands, but not required. All these things, only few things are required. I will filter it out and I will give you. Okay. Mm, I'll show you the basic commands. Like, see, whenever you log into the terminal, okay, this is my real-time terminal. So I switched as an Oracle user, and first thing we have to see like df-h. Df in the sense disk file. Okay, -h in the sense size. Okay, see, these are the details, information it is showing. See, this is the file system. Okay, and this is the allocated size, and this is the used size, and this is the available size, and the used percentage, and mounted on. Okay, these are raw devices. Okay, these are raw devices. These raw devices will be installed by the operating system team. That means the Linux administration team will uh, install these raw devices. Okay, only the thing on these raw devices we are creating the file systems. Not we are creating. We are suggesting that. See, we need these are the file system we need. U01 prod. Okay, stage. These are the file systems we need. Okay, so please configure and give it to us. Like that request we will send to Linux team for installing a or for configuring a new database. Why these file systems are important in the sense these file systems are used to store our data files. That means where the user data is raw data is coming and storing. Okay, that place is called data files. Okay, that place is called data files. So those data files physically we have to store on some mount point. So we are storing in user one or prod. Okay, like that where our Oracle data files will be stored. For that purpose, these mount points we will generate at the beginning of creation of the database. Okay, so these are file systems, these are mount points. Excuse me. Yeah, see, these are the file systems, these are raw devices, okay, which are maintained and managed by the roots, I mean Linux administrators. And on this file system, these are, okay, these file system naming conventions are mounted. So that's why we called it as mount points. These are the mount points. See, what are there in that mount point? See, U01, what is there? If you want to list down what are the things is residing inside this U01, you simply use ls. Ls means list command. See, these are the two directories for them. Okay, if you want along with the permissions and date of creations, you simply type ls hyphen ltr. See, this is the directory. How I am saying this is the directory means, come to the starting point. See here, the D is mentioned, right? D, if it is mentioned as D, that is the directory. If it is not mentioned as D, then that is the file system. That one also I'll show you. App, inside the app, what are the things are there? See again the directories, two directories, Oracle. Inside Oracle, what are the things there? Again, I am doing ls-ltr. See, all these directories are configured. I'm going to Oradata. See, again, these are my databases. -ltr. See, again the directory ls-ltr. See here it is showing like D at starting, right? So this is a directory. See here, there is no D. That means these are files. Okay, these are files. At what time it was created? Like on March 29th. This at the 8:31 a.m. it was created. Okay, like that. It is in 25 way format. So if it is AM, it will show like this. If it is PM, it will show like, okay, the dates, and this is the size. And see who is the owner of this uh, directory. Here it will show the user, Oracle. This is the group. Okay, this is Oracle. Okay, Oracle is the owner of this control file directory, and the DBA group is using this control file. The same way for files also. Okay, so this is how we will look go and look into the directory structure where all the files are residing. If you want to see what are the files inside that one, you simply list down it. Okay, for listing, ls is the list command hyphen ltr. That means it will doing in a order. Okay, it will provide you from old value to newer value. See, you can use ll also, ll command, but it won't give in a order. See, it won't give. It was taking, see here, April 1st, 5th, but here April 5th, 1st, see again April 5th. Okay, it won't take as an order. That's why always use ls-ltr. That is the correct one. Okay, this is one command. Mostly we use next. Mm, I'm going back. If you want to go to one, see next pwd is for present working directory. That means in which directory you are in. See, I'm in u01 app oracle oradata test tv data file. This is my current working directory. Okay, so if you want to know which under which directory you are residing, simply you type pwd, then it will show this one. So I am in. If you want to go to one directory back, Okay, you simply type cd. Okay, cd means, okay, cd means change directory. Okay, change directory. If you want to change the directory, you use cd. See, cd. I'm going back to test db. I'm going back one step backward to next directory. That means cd double dot slash. See, I came to test db, right? See, before I am in data file, before I am in data file directory, I just move one step backward to the another directory, that is test db. See, cd double dot slash. That means it will move to, it will take you to the one step backward directory. Here I am listing down. See, these are the directories. Now, here the size is showing as 4096, but you don't know the complete size, right? So if you want to see the disk usage size, okay, you type du, clear, clearing it, du hyphen sh, and the data file. See, the total size is 1.9 GB. Okay, the total size is 1.9 GB. Du in the sense disk usage. Df means disk file systems. Okay, du means disk usage. No, if you, this is the total of this data file. No, if you want to see individual file size, then you simply go to the data file. There our files are residing. Data file ls-ltr. So these are the files, right? You simply du-sh in the sense it will show in gigabytes. See here, G represents gigabytes. Star. Then see, I'm giving star. Why? Because I'm already in data file. Under this data file, these files were stored. So if you give this asterisk or star, okay, it will read complete information in the directory. Okay, for that purpose, we will give star. See, this big data file is 1.1 GB. DB data is 16 M. Okay, we have different sizes, right? Already you people know, like, see, K stands for uh, first bytes will start, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, okay, gigabytes, terabytes, next petabytes, and so on, and so on. Okay, here bytes it mentioned as naming convention will be bytes. For kilobytes, it will show K. Okay, sorry. For megabytes, it will show as M. For gigabytes, it will show as G. For terabytes, it will show as T. Okay. For petabytes, it will show as PT or something. It will show. Okay, I'm not sure, but we'll keep it as P. Okay. Mostly our databases will be in these two, gigabytes and terabytes. Terabytes of size. Few of the files will be in MBs, KBs. Okay, KB is MB, GB, TB, TB. That's simple. Okay. So these are the various sizes. Okay, in our database. So see, it is showing as G. That means gigabyte. One point. It here 1.1 means 1 gigabyte, and this is in MB. After a dot, On right side we have one more one, right? That is means MB, like 1.001 MB, 1.123 MB, something like that. Okay. See, it is directly showing 16 MB. Okay. Here 5.1 MB. That means 5 is the MB, dot 1 is the kilobyte. Okay. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. Okay. I'm not using this du-sh and I don't see these file names. So what I'm doing? Okay. Here the files are sizes are mentioning, right? See, these are the file sizes. Okay. Come from right side. Okay. Here first three digits will considered as bytes. Okay. If you don't give anything, it will show you in bytes. The first three will calculate as bytes. The second three, we have to count three digits. Okay. From right side, this is bytes, and after that, this is kilobytes. After that, this is megabytes. And see, this is the one. It is gigabyte. Okay. If it is again three values, okay, then it will be terabytes. Clear? See, I will break down this one. So here it is showing. Okay, three, three. Okay. See, this we called it as bytes. Okay, what are the sizes it is displaying? We have to calculate from right to left. Okay, remember, right to left. So I'm calculating right to left, first three digits. This is bytes, megabytes, and the remaining one is the gigabyte. If this one has like 1111, okay, this complete three digits are gigabytes. That means triple one GB is there. If like again 2, that means again divide the 3. Okay, this is the gigabyte, and now this is the terabyte. 2 GB of terabyte. If again it has values like 42, that is 42 terabyte, or like this means 412 terabyte, any other value, then again it will be changed to petabytes. See, again three digits, petabytes. Okay, like this you have to count manually. Otherwise you can use du-sh star, then it will show completely. Clear, right? Hello.
Yes, bro.
Okay. See, we have seen df disk file. Check the disk file. Du to check the disk usage. Okay, and ls to list the files, the directories or files. Before that, su means switch the users. We use su. Okay. Next, now I'm going to show you creation. Okay, creation of directories. Create any directory in the Linux operating system. This is the Linux operating system. Okay, where our Linux commands will be used. To create the directory, I am using the command mk in the sense make dir. This is the directory. Okay, make dir. Simply you give any directory name A, B, C. Then click enter. Then it will create. Okay. See, under this data file, I'm creating one more directory. mkdir A, B, C, D. See, it was created. See here, before that, these files are there. Okay. But here, see, ABCD directory I have created when today, April 5th. Okay, at 10:10. Our timing is 10:10 only, right? See, it was created, and this is a directory. It is showing this is a directory. So, the other thing, okay, this is the directory, and read write. See this one. Read R means read. I'll copy breaking this one. See, this is the permissions. Okay, on your left side, what are the things it is showing? It is called as permissions. See, for this file, what are the permissions are there? Read write. R means read, W means write, X means execute. Okay, D indicates directory, R indicate read, W indicate write, and X indicate execute. Okay, execute. Clear, right? How these
Yes,
permissions
bro.
will, yeah, how these permissions we have to give, that we'll see in uh, next class. Okay, as of now, you just remember what is D, what is R, what is X. Okay, so this is the thing for one file for ABCD. This directory structure is there. Clear? Like this for this directory, what are the permissions are there? It is a directory, and it has read, write, execute, and read hyphen x, or execute and read hyphen x. I will show you. I will tell you what is this hyphen, what it indicates. Okay, later on I will tell you. So the purpose is like mkdir. I given only mkdir abcd, abcd, right? mkdir abcd I have given. So if you go to the directory, inside the directory, or if cd abcd ewd, okay, here I'm using one more command. See, if you want to create any file, okay, is either it is a text file or SQL file or whatever it may be. Okay, now I'm creating a simple text file using vi command. Vi in the sense, it's a vi is a virtual editor. Vi, okay, it's called virtual editor. Okay, simply give vi and the file name as test file. It will open the vi editor terminal. If you want to write anything, you have to click I on your keyboard. See, look here. Now it is showing text file, new file. I'm clicking I in my keyboard. See, now it is insert mode. Okay, now you can write hello all. Okay, welcome to the new Oracle patch. This is the message I have written. Okay, now it is insert mode, right? Now you have to save this file. How you will save this file? Simply press escape key on your keyboard. See, this insert mode is gone. Now shift colon, WQ means, W means save, Q means quit. If you don't want to do anything, you simply give Q and you can come out. I want to save this file. WQ, enter. See, this file is created, right? You'll see, see here, test file came. How to view this text file? VI editor. Under this VI editor, okay. Once it got open, okay. we have to press I on your keyboard to keyboard to make the uh, text file to keep to oh sorry to keep the editor into insert mode. Okay, insert mode. We can write or delete or modify any data. Okay, insert mode. To save the file, use press escape key on your keyboard and press shift key plus colon. Okay, colon shift key plus shift key or escape key on your keyboard and hold shift key plus colon and colon WQ to save file. Okay, colon Q means quit. Colon WQ means save. Okay, save. So I have saved. To read the file, what are the content in this file? Okay, if you want to read it, cat text file. See, hello all, welcome to new Oracle batch. Got it? To read the created file, we use cat command. How you are using cat and file name. What is the file name you are going to read? That file name. Okay, cat test file. Cat or more. If the file is huge in 10,000 or 20,000 lines, if you want to go line by line, okay, then you have to use more. If you read the file by using cat, it will open completely the file. It will open completely the file, but the screen is very short. Okay, you can't read 10,000 times at a time. Only the last 5,000 lines or 100 lines it will display. So you can't read above lines. For that purpose, we use file more and file name like this. Same more test file. That's all. Okay. These two commands used to read the files. So here we will see the difference. Like I create the directory abcd with these permissions. Automatically it came. But inside the directory, what are the files I have created? Test file, right? For this test file, test file, what are the permissions it came? Read write permissions only it came. Okay. For this purpose, what we will do, cd, I'm going one step back. So cd space, okay, I came to data file. I'm creating one more directory. Here I'm mentioning -p. Okay, -p ABC or XYZ will create XYZ directory. Okay, I can create directly the XYZ and okay, XYZ I'm creating. Stop it, XYZ. Yeah. Here XYZ directory was created with the read write execute command. I'm going inside the XYZ. See where I am? I'm in XYZ. Here I am creating one more file like vi s2 file dot txt I'm giving. Okay, you can give the extension. This is called extension. Okay, this is called extension. Dot txt. Okay, like this is called extension. You can give anything. Dot. If it is a shell file, you give sh. Okay. If it is a log file, you give log. If it is a data file, you will give dbf. These are all extensions to identify the files. Okay, to identify the files. Okay. So this is by see here I just given test, right, test file, but you don't know what is test file, whether it is a what kind of file it is, whether it is a text file or shell file or log file, what kind of file it is, we don't know. So while creating I'm giving dot text, that means it indicates it's a text file. See here, this indicates dbf, that means a database file. Okay, this is indicating database file. In the same way, control file with a different extension, log file with a different extension will be there. So here I'm creating one more file. I welcome back to the Oracle world. Okay, escape, shift plus colon wq, save. See, I have created here. Okay, second file. See, the second file is created with the same file name, but with what extension? With the .txt extension to identify, right? If you give this ls-lrt, you come to know what are the files are there, how many text files are there, how many data files are there, how many log files are there. Okay, like that you come to know. So we have to create any text, any file with a extension. Okay, any extension you can create without extension, but you can't identify with single shot. Okay, you can't see. Before I have given test file. Okay, by looking into that directory I don't know what kind of file it is. You have to read this file and only then you can come to know. But by giving this extension, you simply come to know what kind of file it is. Okay. This is what the make directory, that means creating a directory and creating a files. If you want to remove the files, okay, if you want to remove the files, remove the files, use rm command. To remove files we use rm command. Okay, now I'm going to remove this test file in the directory. I'm going back. Okay, and I know the which directory next we have to go. I'm giving abcd, and it was gone to abcd. See, pwd is the present working directory. I mentioned here pwd. Okay, pwd present working directory. Okay, mkdir create directory. Okay, what I have said, vi editor to generate files. Okay, what else I have shown? Now remove command. Okay, I'm showing you the remove command. Rm means remove the di directory or files. If you want to remove a directory, you use rm. If you want to remove a file, you can use rm. Okay, here I am giving rm uh, test test file. What is there inside this one? ls-ltr. Here I want to remove the test file. Rm test file. See, now the file is disappeared. Gone, right? Okay. So this is one method. If you use, I'm going back data files, but the directory is there. I'm giving rm directory. See, it's not allowing. So for this, you have to use rm minus rf. Okay. See, the directory is gone. To remove the directories along with the files, you use -r. -r in this sense recursive. So it will remove the directory. Now I am going to remove this abc directory along with the files. Then I am simply going rm minus rf. We'll see whether it is work or not. abcd. See, along with the files, r means recursive, f means files. So ls-ltr. See, nothing is there. Along with the files, it was removed. Okay, rm minus rf. Use it to delete directory along with the files inside that directory. Okay, this is clear. Next, see, these are all regularly we are going to use in our daily life. Okay, daily DBA life. Okay, as a part of DBA, we will use these commands to list down what are the things inside the directory. We use ls-ltr. Okay, to list down what are the sorry, and also we are changing the directories using cd command. Okay, we'll use vi editor to create the files or to edit the files. Okay, whatever it may be. Mm. Like this we will use these commands. And also daily uses we are using few more commands like, see, cp stands for copy. Okay, mv stands for move. Okay, these are the commands we'll see now. Now I'm going to create one file. Okay, I'm going to create one file, pi. Okay, text file dot txt. Insert I. Hello, welcome to the Oracle. Okay, escape WQ. Now I want to copy what are the directory structure we are in STB. So I want to copy now this text file ls-ltr. See, this text file is under data file, right? Now I want to copy this text file to test DB. Okay, simply I'm giving we copy text file to test DB. Enter. See, it was copied. Currently we are in data file. Now I am going back. See, in data file is this file is there ls-ltr. See, text file is there. Now I am going back one directory back ls-ltr. See, this text file was copied. Okay, to test DB directory. Okay, now if you want to rename the file, okay, and move the file, you use simply mv text file to Vara data. See, move command what it will do, it will completely remove the file from here. Now I am in U01 app Oracle Vara data test db ls-ltr. See here, this file is exist? No. Why? Because we use move command. See this file in test db. In test db, this file is there before. Now it was not there. I'm going back one more step back. See this where it was moved. See, it came here. If you use copy command, it will copy the file and place it over whatever the directory you have given. It will place it. It won't disturb the original file. Okay, it will just copy the file to another location. But if you use mv move command, then it will remove the original file from that location and it will move to different location. What are the location you have mentioned? That location it will move. Okay, these are the commands. Paste it in the chart, so it will be useful for you. Uh, okay, so these are the comments for today. This is enough. Tomorrow we'll do one thing. We will first of all we will install the Linux operating system. Okay, then I will tell you daily I will cover, okay, 5 or 10 comments every day, so that you can practice and you can learn the Linux comments. Okay, mostly in Linux part we don't have much work, but few of the things are things we have to learn. Why? Because our database related files, directories, everything is stored on the Linux system. So for that extension we have to learn few commands. Those are enough. Okay, okay then. uh it's already 10:34. We'll wind up for this day and we will join tomorrow. So make sure to join by 9:30 itself only, so we can cover most of the topics. Okay, why? Because initially this is 1 hour, we'll make it to 2 hours class. And one more thing, is this timing is perfect or relevant to you, or we will change the timings? I think few couple of people are facing issue with these timings. uh,
Just 5 minutes. I need
Lokesh,
9:35.
what
I
is
will
your
join, sir.
office timings?
Office time 8:30 to 5:30. The 9:30 to 9:35. I need to submit my report,
Ah,
daily report. Just
okay,
5 minutes.
okay, 5:30. Okay, Tulsiram, yours? You're not working, right? Okay, so you're fine with any timings, right? Okay. Guru, what about you?
Anytime, bro. No problem.
Anytime. Okay, okay. Why? Because two more people are there. Okay. Actually, they are in the night shifts. so that's why they are not able to join these classes in the morning. And even I
Okay, you
also,
can check with them and let me.
yeah. Even I also trying to check my timings. Why? Because if I join to the work, sometimes I can make time to explain, but sometimes it won't happen. That's why I'm keeping the session in the morning session only. But we'll see. Okay, later on we'll see. Hmm?
Yeah, okay.
As of now,
Okay.
tomorrow also the same timing, 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, there is no change. If any changes are there, I will let you know, people. Okay.
Yeah.